Alright, so today we're going to be working on Casey's coupe. He's going to be putting in some mounts and getting the engine bay a little bit more prepped. And we'll probably be throwing in the Z6 if all else fails today. I mean, might as well try to get the engine in. But we're going to try to get it prepped up a little bit better because the bay's kind of hideous in spots. Like really bad. But it's tucked up pretty good, the wiring. The battery will be going under the dash because there's no heater core, no blower motor. This thing's going to be a quick daily. So he's going to be dailying it to and from work and job sites, works road construction. But it'll be boosted and have nitrous. It's got a lot of stuff coming to it. He might keep it ugly for a while, but knowing us, we'll probably not keep it ugly. So we're going to go ahead and get started on that. Alright, so Casey's actually just going to test fit one of the eBay mounts that everyone talks crap on. They're really good quality. I don't know why everyone bashes these things.
Honestly, the video does no justice to it.
Look at that. That's like really nice. Good fit. Of course, once the engine goes in, we'll know for sure. Obviously, when it tightens down, it'll push the pin. It'll be nice. And it's not even tightened down. It has very little play. What color do you think this car should go? I mean, right now it's black and the black and this light turquoise like the wife's car. But I mean, it doesn't look too bad black, but might switch it up. The interior, I'll show you guys that. There's a lot of work that needs done in here. We have to put a lot of it back together, and they cut holes in there and all kinds of crap.
Can't even sit in the back seat of my own car.
A little too tall. Alright, let's get this thing vacuumed.
Ooh, we made money.
Piece of candy. Alright, got it clean, so now we're going to throw it in. Alright, got it in. Actually looks pretty good. Looks totally different inside now. We'll get the driver's seat in, bolted in, get center console and all that crap that we can in right now. And then we'll get started on the engine bay.
This is gonna take forever. Trying to figure out how to angle this.
Alright, so we got it prepped up. This isn't going to be an absolute perfect engine bay. This car is going to be more about horsepower and daily driving. So we're going to shoot it with this for right now. But like I said, we want to know what you guys think for an engine bay color, so do leave comments below. I'm going to go ahead and just put a light layer over this and then go over it again. Alright, so we got it all painted. I put a couple layers. As you can see, it looked like just one big layer to you, but it was already drying in other spots, so that's when I hit it with second coat. But yeah, it looks a lot better than it did, and it'll be more than enough for what he's going to be using it for. This isn't going to be a show quality car or anything yet. Maybe someday we'll go back and touch all this up, re-weld those, and do it the right way, but it's definitely better than that purple that was on here and the weld marks. But yep, so next we're going to drop in the Z6 motor, and that'll basically be it for now, because it still needs new spindles on both sides, because they cut them and weld them so they're cambered, which we don't do that camber crap. And if you do, more power to you. Not for me though, not for him. But this is basically how it's going to look, but with the engine in, because it's already wire tucked. All the spots of the wires are already hidden. This will dry to a maroon flat color, and it'll look pretty good, so stay tuned. Alright, we got the engine ready to go in. The bay's painted, it's been dried. We got all the bolts ready. We're basically just going to set the engine in, bolt it up, and then we're done for today, because there's still quite a few things we need to get. New spindles, as you can see. I mean, these things are ridiculously cambered. Like, I don't know, like the camera just doesn't do it justice at all. But it's ready to go in. It'll have a full Z6, and then we might just turn this one into the full track car, because he got a Civic just now. He just bought another one.
Just bought another one.
So now we're just gonna go ahead and take this and drop it in, and he'll drive this for a little bit here and there, and then once we're ready, we'll take this Z6 out and we'll fully build it. It'll have nitrous and boost, and it's gonna be pretty fun. So we're gonna go ahead and get started.